Mopishgrunt.
Yes, Bubba Tubbin?
Something terrible has happened.
It's Anna NP is no longer HR?
No. Even worse.
Oh no. What's
He's
gonna
back.
be? Who's
He's
he?
back.
Who's he?
He's back.
Who's he?
He's back.
Don't tell me it's
Freddy Krueger. I don't know how this keeps happening. Like, I literally, we have Come to Lumbo come back, and now Freddy, like, what is going on here, Mopishgrunt?
I took care of the guy.
Exactly. You saw what happened last time.
Yeah,
You saw what
I
happened
took
last
care
time.
of him like last 6th of October. That's how we ended it.
How are you gonna do it this time? Are you ready?
No, I haven't fought him in 2 years. 2 years is a long time.
Halloween special, it's gonna be ruined if you don't bench him again.
The sexy might end. This might be the last sexy by October if he wins.
No, don't say that.
Bubba Tubbin, what's true is true.
All right. I'm gonna do you a solid. Okay. I know someone. He's the best trainer I know, and he's gonna get you all ready to fight. Not quite.
Oh.
Trust me on this one. He will get you in fighting shape.
Oh, I love being in shape.
Freddy Krueger. Okay?
Who is he?
My name is Tony Wicket. And if you can't beat me, well, you're just gonna have to get better than me. Yes.
How long have you been here?
You know, never lose your charm, Florida. You crack me up, Mopishgrunt. You really do. But let's get to work.
Now, where is this kid? Tony, I'm here. What are you wearing? Look, if you want to win, if you want to be a winner, you gotta get one of these.
A fapoon.
Whatever you just said. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, you look like a winner.
Yes, sir.
Let's get it.
Yes.
Mopishgrunt,
Yeah.
you gotta be ready for anything.
Absolutely anything.
That includes the ball of the basket. Don't let me grab it. Let me grab the power. Let me grab the power. Mopishgrunt. What if Freddy Krueger comes to the ring with this ball? What are you gonna do then?
Croquet. I'm talking
I
your
like
language,
this
Tony.
kid. I like this kid right here. How can you expect to beat Freddy if I'm over here grabbing the ball? Go ahead. Come on, Mopishgrunt. You gotta work nights and you gotta work days, okay? I'm not paying you to sit around and lollygag about. You are being a ton of simple right now. Do you want to be a ton of simple when Freddy Krueger comes to that ring? Come on, Mopishgrunt. You're too slow. 2 seconds too slow. Come on, Mopis.